to a new video. I feel like I haven't filmed a day in my life in a while, so I thought, why not film it today? I'm not doing much today, so that's why I wanted to pick up the camera, because I want to show the days where I'm not doing much. I don't have errands to run, where I don't have to do really anything, but I'm just listening to my body and what it wants to do. So I thought, why not do that? I just got ready to work out, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have this top from 37. They have really cute workout sets, and then these shorts are from Forever 21. I have had them for a while, so I don't even know if they sell it, but I'm sure you can go to like Forever 21, probably find these type of shorts. I made matcha this morning. I haven't made matcha in so long, and it looks like straight up milk, so don't come at me, but I'm slowly getting back into it and learning the basics again, because I haven't done matcha in like a year. And if you're an OG, you know I was obsessed with matcha. I forgot to mention this, but I got an Apple Watch for my birthday, and at first it was so hard to learn how to use an Apple Watch, and now I'm kind of getting used to it, so I love it. I love to use it while I'm doing workouts and stuff. It does feel a little weird because I don't wear anything this bulky on my wrist, but I'm slowly getting used to it. Anyways, let's go work out. Currently 5, so you know what that means. I'm gonna tan. I've been feeling really pale, and Florida is like finally back to its normal weather, and it's just the best. So I literally tanned yesterday, and I'm tanning again because I feel like yesterday I didn't tan enough, and it was actually fine. So I'm gonna look even more tanner today. I'm just gonna pick out an outfit. I'm tanning now, and it's so bright. Also, look at how cute our little backyard is. I didn't ever show this to you, but we got this whole backyard seating from Walmart, and it was so cheap and it's so good. And I'm just obsessed. Like here, I'm gonna be tanning all summer. And then we also put these curtains up for like more privacy. Now I'm making myself some ice cream. I make the sorbet I made literally like 4 days ago, and it's been in the freezer, so hopefully it's good. I think I ate this. I don't even know what this is. Fingers crossed it's good, because ice cream outside right now would be so good. Okay, why does it look like that? This is mango, but I'm gonna put some milk in this because it does not look ready to eat. I'm not washing my hair because I literally washed it 2 days ago, and I'm washing it like every other day. I need a break. Get ready now and do a little bit of makeup to make myself feel a little bit better. So let's do the makeup. I thought that was gonna fall. I got literal makeup on this. I recently got the Tower 28 concealer, and I have been loving it. I used to use the Hourglass before this, and I love that one, but I just wanted to change things up and try something different. So I'm like, I want to see if there's anything better than that, and I've been using the Hourglass for years now, and I will say I definitely recommend it. So it's not that I don't like the Hourglass concealer, I just love exploring and trying new different things. Guys, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair next week, and I am so nervous. I don't even know what to do. Like, I don't know if I should go blonde. I'm leaning towards blonde, but I also miss the brunette, but I've been brunette since my hair's just been grown out. I'm embarrassed of my hair right now. It just looks so bad and not taken care of. And it's not that it's unhealthy, like it's been really healthy. I've been taking care of it and all, and I haven't dyed it for a year. It's just grown out. I don't like it. So that's why I'm gonna be getting it done. But stay tuned for a glow up video, because that's what it's gonna be. I'm going to be doing the whole 9 yards, like an extreme one. I haven't done one of those in so long, and I miss doing it because I feel like I haven't been feeling myself, and whenever I do those videos I feel a lot better. What's going on with my hair right now? But yeah, I'm really excited to go and get everything done. My nail recently just broke, and I feel like I just got it done, but it definitely is grown out a little too, so we're definitely going to be getting that done. And I'll probably be sharing some beauty secrets in that video too, maybe showing my makeup routine for those that ask for it. I'm not the best with makeup, but I'll do it for you guys if you ask for it. Just keep in mind I'm not a makeup artist. That's just what works for me. I ordered the Rose blush, and I'm so excited. I've been using the Say, which I love Say so much. Their makeup products are the best. So many people have been saying that the Rose blush is really good, so I got easily influenced, and that's coming in the mail, so I'm really excited. I'll be sharing a little bit of that. I did get the Barrier Restore Cream and the glazing milk, and I've been loving it. I definitely see a difference in my skin. It's just a lot more glowy, but I'm excited to try the blush. I was literally sick for the past week, so that's why I haven't been posting on YouTube or like literally anything, and now I'm back and I'm posting on TikTok, literally everything. thing. I have a video coming up that I am so excited about. I got this vanity. I'll just give some spoilers out. But the next video is going to be a vanity organization video, and I'm so excited. Like, I know I already have a vanity, and I got that recently, but this vanity I've had my eye on for a year now, and I'm just so excited to set it up. It's literally at the front door already. So when I say that video is coming, I mean it, because I just want to open it up already, but I want to wait to film the video for you guys. And we're all done with the makeup. I forgot to make the bed this morning, so let's make it. I also need to clean this vanity, so let's also clean that together, and then the clothes that are just thrown here.
No?
Caleb got Chick-fil-A for us. So here's my little Chick-fil-A order. I get the chicken sandwich, and then I get the waffle fries, and I've been really loving this lemonade that's like frozen, but it's like melted, so it's not really frozen anymore, but it's really good. So I'm gonna eat this up because we're starving and we don't have dinner tonight, so that's why we ordered. It's currently 6 o'clock, and I finished planning and stuff on the computer, and now I'm on the couch. I'm gonna color for a little bit. It's been like kind of my hobby recently, and I've been loving it, and I keep learning more techniques with like the markers and stuff like that. I've been wanting to pick up a hobby for so long, and I finally found something, and I came across coloring TikTok, and I was on it for so long, and when I'm set on something, I'm set on. So I got 2 coloring books so far. This is all in a span of 5 days. And then I went to Michael's and I got the Hoo markers, which are really good markers. Like, everybody on color TikTok say that it's really good and it's worth the money, so I got them. I didn't want to get like markers that are just gonna run out really fast, just because I want to do this for fun and I want to try to do it every night. I'll show you guys like the pages that I've done so far. This coloring book I got from Amazon. It's the Fuzzy Friends. So this is the first page I ever did. I didn't color the table, and then this was my second page. As you can tell, I was trying to do some blending with like the sky to make a sunset, and it just didn't look good. I don't know why, but it wasn't blending, but I'm slowly learning. And then I tried to do blending again, and look how streaky that looks. I don't know what it is, but I'm trying to do it. But I really loved like all the little characters in this picture. Then I did this page. I love this page. I feel like there's so many colors, and it definitely shows as if it's like a candy shop. So I really love this one. Took me 2 hours. I did it like right before bed. I think this one is my favorite. I love the design that I did with the bows on the wall. Like, the thing with me is I like to challenge myself, so I try to like do different patterns and like learn different blending techniques and stuff like that. And then I did this page last night, which I also really love. I feel like the light blue couch is so cute, and then like I didn't do any pattern in the background because I was exhausted and I didn't want to do it, but I still love this page. I love the colors, and that's everything I did. I'm gonna actually color on this book that I got. It's by Bobby Good, which they don't sell this one on Amazon, but I've been wanting to get my hands on this for so long, and I finally got it. A little bit more pricier than the Fuzzy Friends one from Amazon, or like any book from Amazon, because they're like better quality paper, and I can definitely tell it's like thicker. But this one is the day to night book, so it starts from like the morning to afternoon and then the nighttime, and I think that's such a cute idea. So we're gonna start the first page. I'm honestly excited about this page. I could do like different patterns on this. I think it's gonna be really cute. watching a movie, and it was based on a true story and a really sad story. I love watching movies at night before we go to sleep. It's literally the best. Why does this side of the hair look curlier than this side? Just getting unready now because that's literally all I want to do after watching a movie is go to sleep. I just wanted to film a video like this so that I could remind you guys that there are days I'm not going out and running errands and doing a bunch of stuff. That's just unrealistic every single day. I've never filmed a video like this where I'm just like don't have anything planned. Hopefully this video is entertaining for you guys, but this is what I do on most days. Like yesterday I had to run errands to get like dog food, just simple stuff to literally live. Like now that I'm in my 20s, I have to have responsibilities to go out and do stuff. That's like 2 times in a week. Like we go grocery shopping. It's not anything crazy. I didn't finish the coloring book because we wanted to watch a movie, and for some reason I can't focus on both things. We all know that by now. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. It definitely reminded me more of like summer content because I literally tanned. It's hot out. It's just perfect. Like this is what I did yesterday and probably what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but I'm gonna film a different video for you guys. That's gonna be uploaded on Wednesday. I'm literally even saying this before the video comes out because that's how excited I am. Like it's the vanity video and you guys just wait for it. I didn't even know it was gonna come this fast. Like, they said that it was getting delivered today and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even order the chair. And then I ordered the chair while I was tanning and it literally comes tomorrow and I didn't even have to pay for like fast shipping or anything. So I'm really excited about that and I'm so glad I didn't really have to do like much waiting because I'm just super impatient with this vanity. I'm not gonna if you guys want more videos like this where I just pick up the camera and vlog whenever I have like, basically nothing to do, just to show you guys more of the realistic side, because it's so easy to compare to influencers where they're just running errands every single day or like every vlog of theirs is doing something out, when in reality there's most days where we're just staying inside the house. Like I don't know about other people, but me, I love staying home. I will do anything to stay home. Like for some reason going out in public gives me so much anxiety. I literally, like, even when I go to Target, when I filmed that Target haul video, had the worst anxiety. Like I had to calm myself down. So I'm not really of a going out type of girl, but staying home I can do that. Anyways, I finished doing my skincare. I literally just use these 2 Rhode products and they're really good. I literally wake up with glossy skin. Like crazy how this stuff works, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend. It's currently 9:53, about to be 10 o'clock, so I'm going to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below the teddy bear emoji because that's the only emoji I can think about right now, especially if you made it up to this point of the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.